My name is Jeff Kripal. I'm leading a workshop or co-hosting or co-teaching a workshop with John Allison called Biological Gods, Evolution and Spirituality. And it's July 10th through July 12th. And it is a direct crossover from CTR, the Center for Theory and Research. Center for Theory and Research was founded in 1998 by Michael Murphy. And it's really kind of the research and development arm of Esalen Institute. We have 6 to 8 of these a year on everything from the survival of bodily death to subtle energies to the middle realm to diplomacy between the US and Russia. So if you have ever wondered, where did this idea of evolution and spirituality come from, and what is its historical background, but also what does it mean today? We're going to be addressing all of this primarily through, I'll sound nerdy here, but primarily through German idealism and Nietzsche and theosophy, but also in the American counterculture and evolutionaries I have known. So people who have this evolutionary vision, including Michael Murphy, by the way, and including Esalen. The goal of the workshop is for people to appreciate that they themselves are part of this evolutionary process, and that so is language, and that we can redefine what the human is or who we are gradually, but also really. I don't mean this metaphorically. I mean, the way we talk about each other, the way we talk about spirituality really is part of this evolutionary process. Spiritual evolution and Esalen are related to Superman. The whole idea of the Superman or the superhuman is a human potential idea, and it actually goes back to Nietzsche and then flows into America and the comics and science fiction and explodes in the counterculture and at Esalen in the 1960s and 70s. So we're, to put it bluntly, superpowers are real. We all have them. Let's use them. Let's integrate them.